What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Now today I'm going to show you the ROC hobbies, aka FMS, the new crawlers. Now this is a 112 Type82E. Now look at it, this is just a Volkswagen's Beetles. Now this is a military version Beetles. Now let's unbox it. Here are some features. Wow, look at it, so beautiful. Now this is also the Fly Skies 4-channel transmitters, so small. Wow, look at this Beetles. This is a desert yellow colors. So the batteries, charger, and range. Now let's look at it. Volkswagens. The Beetle is so cute. Look at this light, plate, front bumper. And this is a little bit soft. You can see here. The roof, rear bumper, the wheels, made in China. By the way, the suspensions, wait a minute, I will show you. The suspensions is the same as the former Type 82, the Porsche Type 82. Independent suspensions and the rear portal axles independent suspensions, and even the same engines. But this you can see the engines easily. Look at this, the belt, and a lot of details. Two exhausts. Now let's look at wow. Look at the hood. Now this is a, you can put the backup tires out of it so easily. And this is small servos, the ESC and receivers all in one. You can put the small 2S batteries in here. I think maybe here. And here is the on-off switch. Just put it down. Two wind shield, two wipers. Now let's see the interior. Sorry. Look at these doors. So solid. See the interior. The wheels, sorry, the steerings. the pedals, 3 pedals, 1 gear. Whoa, by the way, look at the seat. The seat is so soft. A little bit like the feather. And even the rear seats. By the way, the dashboard of the Beetles is not as much details as the former Porsche Type 82. There's a Volkswagen's logos in here, and the seat can't move. Now let's show you the LEDs of the Beetles. Here you can see it. High beam, and this light turns on, and the rear lights turn off. Front and rear lights, and only off. By the way, in this there is no turning lights, and it has brake lights. This is brake lights, and it didn't have the reverse lights. What a pity. Now let's see the drive. This is a high speed. This is a slow speed gear. Now this is a 4-wheel drive. This is a rear-wheel drive. So just the same as the former Porsche Type 82. Now I will show you the engines. Look at the engines. The bells. Now here, the flywheel rotates. Oh, this is something wrong with this. So the interior fans can't rotate. That's all about ROC Hobby's new Beetles. So cute, so beautiful. Now, thanks for watching. Please make comments down below, thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.